The Bayraktar Kizilelma is a jet-powered, single-engine, low-observable, carrier-capable combat aerial vehicle presently under development by the Turkish defense firm Baykar. The aircraft is being developed as part of Project MIUS. Turkish technological business, Bayraktar Technology, successfully performed the maiden flight test of its newest combat drone, Bayraktar Kizilelma. Unlike the earlier Bayraktar drones, Kizilelma has the look of an advanced fighter plane. Bayraktar Kizilelma's first flight test was conducted out at an airfield in Turkey on December 14, 2022. This aircraft has a design comparable to that of a fifth-generation fighter, although of course it is operated unmanned. In the video published to Baykar Technology's YouTube account, Bayraktar Kizilelma successfully lifts off, then travels through the air, before ultimately returning to the mainland. Quoted from the official website of Bayraktar Technology, Kizilelma is touted to have aggressive mobility and has a stealth classification, since it can dodge hostile radar. This unmanned aircraft can travel as far as 926 kilometers at a cruising height of up to 10,000 meters. Bayraktar Kizilelma can fly for 5 hours, at speeds up to Mach 0.6 or 740 kilometers. Meanwhile, the capacity that can be accommodated exceeds 1.5 tons. Bayraktar Kizilelma can also take off and land autonomously and is equipped with low RCS, radar cross-section, advanced AESA radar, good maneuverability, and can take off and land on aircraft carriers. Surely these military drones will become key actors in future battles. Apart from being intelligent and possessing advanced technology, combat drones like these may be controlled without a crew, which can save pilot resources. Bayraktar itself is already renowned as a maker of powerful military drones. One of its products, Bayraktar TB2, was utilized in the Ukraine versus Russia battle. The drone utilized by the Ukrainian army was capable of killing many military vehicles belonging to the Russian army.